Welcome back. In the previous session, we have discussed about what is data types and how do we use data types in our program, why it is so important, and what are the different types of data types present in C++. Today, we were doing is one very important topic which you can directly or indirectly relate with data types, which is called as operators. Now, operators is a very big and broad topic, so I will make separate videos on it so that you can understand each and every operator, the concepts, and the clarity with examples of programming as well. Now, when we talk about operators, I'm pretty sure you have learned operators, even though whichever grade you study in, you've studied operators in mathematics. Well, it is kind of same, but here more operators are there in C++ when it comes to C++ programming. But some of the operators, like for example, today those operators which you're going to learn about are mostly related to maths only. So it's going to be a little bit easier for you if you don't have the background of operators in programming. Now, when it comes to operators, if you need a very formal definition, these are all operations which we do in C++. So to do any operations, it can be any kind of operations. We need the use of operators in the programming language, whether it is C++, C, or any other programming language. And C++ has a varieties of type of operators, like they are divided into certain different parts. For example, if I have to say that, generally in C++, we have 5 types of operators. And we'll discuss them in individual videos so that you don't get confused. I'm not going to discuss today in all the 5 types. So I'll just give you the basic idea about what is operators. And then from the next video, I'll give you the idea about what individual types of operators. The first one is called as arithmetic operators. Second one are assignment operators. The third one is comparison operators. Then we have the logical operators. And lastly, we have the bitwise operator. Now, these are the 5 types of operators which we will do in individual videos so that you get the idea about all these operators. It's a very broad topic and it may be very much complicated if I do everything in one video. So today, I just have to give you the idea about what is operators and how many type operators are there. From the next video, we'll start with the arithmetic operators.